Hey everyone, my name is Pascal. I'm a molecular biologist working for Edelweiss Connect, and I'm involved in developing the solutions for the Accords project. So to face the complexity of the project, we have different partners, we have different technologies, we have even different instruments for the same technology. We need to find a solution to bring all the data together in a standardized format. So we developed the Accords knowledge infrastructure where all this data is coming together and where the data is uploaded in a standardized, harmonized way based on fair principles. Also, the image data which we are creating is going to this infrastructure where it is automatically transformed to a uniform standardized format, and where the images are also translated and transferred to an image repository, which is called Omero. Omero is a great tool for scientists where they can take the images and prepare them for publication. The data in this infrastructure is fair and it is machine readable, which is very important because in the end we need to take that data to be able to do image-based risk assessment of 2D nanomaterials and materials. What is the goal of the whole project?
Right. I'm Kirsten and I work at Oxford University, and I'm one of the partners who actually generates these images and other data. So what I do is I look at our particles, I generate lots of images from really low magnification up to very high magnification where you can almost see individual atoms or individual layers in our graphene-based materials. And in addition to images, we also generate data for the chemical distribution of different elements. And this is done with several different instruments. And as Pascal already mentioned, for me, it's quite easy to interpret these things, but for other people, it needs to be collected and stored in a way that other people can find information in the images, correlate it to other data, and eventually also correlate our or my data to all the data that comes from other partners in the project. And I would now give the word to Asma, who is actually the person who's doing the practical stuff of taking my data and transferring it to a way that other people can access it.
Okay. Hello everyone, I am Asma Ali, a research data scientist at Edelweiss Connect. In our knowledge infrastructure, we address complex challenges for managing data while trying to adhere to the FAIR principles. In our knowledge infrastructure, there are three main components: data, images, and protocols. For managing data, we started by adopting RIMBY guidelines, which are a set of standards developed to improve fairness in the context of biological imaging data. And based on these guidelines, we developed a standardized templates for data collection to establish a comprehensive and fair compliant database. And also for managing data, imaging data, we use Omero as our image repository, where images are stored and organized, and we also have designed automated image upload functionality to facilitate the batch upload of images and also to standardize the image formats and annotate images with the necessary metadata and protocols. For managing protocols, we have designed submission templates for different types of protocols to ensure accessibility and fairness. And also, you can organize your project research publication in a fair way through our knowledge infrastructure. And the last thing is our main goal is to support the image-based correlative risk assessment of 2D nanomaterials. We are developing a researcher toolbox where necessary tools and predictive models will be provided to support your research. So stay tuned for the release of our public services, and your support is crucial. Thank you.